Assalamu alaikum dear viewer, welcome to my channel Star Calligraphy. Today in this video we are going to write 10 lines essay on Eid Miladun Nabi. First line, Mr. President, honorable teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Second line, today the topic of my speech is Eid Miladun Nabi. Third line, Eid Miladun Nabi is a sacred festival for all of us. Fourth line, we celebrate Eid Miladun Nabi every year on 12 Rabiul Awal. Fifth line, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam was born on this day. Sixth line, this is the day of blessings of Allah Almighty. Seventh line, Milad is an important part of this holy month. Eighth line, many religious functions are organized on 12th Rabiul Awal. To celebrate Eid Miladun Nabi. Ninth line, some Muslims fast on this day to celebrate Eid Miladun Nabi. 10th line, may Allah guide us to follow the teachings of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam.